In this video, I'll show you how to automate completion alerts in Monday.com. Start by opening the board where completed work is tracked. Completed alerts automatically notify team members or stakeholders whenever important work has been finished. Once you're inside the board, click the Automate button near the top of the screen. Then go to the Creations tab. In the Automation Center, use the search bar and type Notify. You'll see several notification related automation recipes. Look for a recipe such as when status changes to something, notify someone. Click the recipe to begin configuring. First, choose the status that represents completion in your workflow. For example, this might be done, completed, approved, finished, or closed. Next, select who should receive the notification. This could be a project manager, team lead, client success manager, or another stakeholder. If available, customize the notification message. You might include information such as task name or instructions for the next step in the process. Once you're finished configuring the automation, click Create Automation. Now, whenever a task reaches the completion status, Monday.com will automatically send the alert. For example, if a designer finishes a project and mark it as done, the project manager can immediately receive a notification to review the work. This helps improve visibility, speeds up approvals, and ensures important completed work doesn't go unnoticed. And that's how to automate completion alerts in Monday.com.